Evening, John Ozzy, AudaCity Capital. Tonight I'm reviewing the account of Bill. Bill's one of our FTP traders, the Funded Talented Trader Program. And as we can see, Bill's been with us from the 2nd of December 2020 up to the present day of the 11th of February 2021. Looking at Bill's journey, Bill's had a daily gain of 0.12%, a monthly gain of 3.63%, and a drawdown of 3.93%. Bill is managing 30,000 US dollars, and at current present, Bill's slightly down a bit, I think, but overall profit is $1,165.46. So let's look at Bill's journey. And as we can see, the equity is from zero. Bill came down. Bill actually hit 2.26% of his allowable 10, which is not too bad. We kind of start with a little bit of a drawdown, which isn't too bad. And as you can see, Bill's scaled up, down, and up. And you see Bill's now finding his rhythm. So let's just pause for a minute. From a deficit of minus 1.33 to 2.26%, to 1.83 and jump up to 3.44%. Clearly, we take that as resilience. How do you come back from a setback? Just bear that in mind. You see, with trading, you can be right or wrong and always end up in profit. But what if you're always wrong? How do you get that mindset to build that confidence to come back and be successful? So this is something you have to think about as well. Coming back down here again, we can see bills drop down to 0.89%. He's at a deficit, but clearly on the positive region now compared to the negative region down here. So even if he's having a deficit, we want to make sure it's positive, and this is where Bill has found his consistency. And right from here, the 14th of January, Bill shot up and he's hit 9.67%, came down, a bad trade, came up, and he hit his 10% on the 29th of January. Everybody's hitting 10% on 29th of January, and I keep on saying, I think it's down to the Joe Biden effect on the inauguration day 9 days ago, prior to that day. So let's see how Bill's done this. So we're going to go to the summary and see Bill's best trades. Bill has not really been a heavy trader. He's only had 110 trades in the space of a calendar month and a half. And as you can see, Bill has not really been overexposed in his selection of FX pairs. Bill's had quite a few. But Bill's biggest money maker, as we can see with other traders, is the pound pairs. So Bill has now traded pound Australian dollar, pound US dollar. And we can see Bill's made 250.2 pips, and Bill's been down as well on the other pair. So let's just see this now. Bill's kind of traded these pairs, but Bill's biggest gainers are the pound US dollar and the euro US dollar. So looking at this on the buy side, Bill's made 1,261.70. On the sell side, he's made 17 pips. So he's made a total of 36 pips, 235.5 pips, which gives him a grand total of 1,225.25. So the key thing we can take from Bill's trading statistics is that Bill's had majority of his wins on one particular pair, which is a pound US dollar, on the buy side and on the sell side. And in return, Bill's now diversified with other cross pairs and other pairs as well on the side here to give him that total balance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 pairs now, the pound, euro yen, euro New Zealand dollar, euro dollar, pound Australian dollar, although it's in the red, has given him his 10%. But look at the pound Australian dollar. He wasn't successful on the long side, but he was successful on the short side. And in both sides, he dominated what? The short side than the long side. So with traders, we have this unique personality. Some traders are very good in shorting the market. Some traders are very good in being bullish on the market. But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what side you're on, bulls or bears, it's all about profit. Looking at January 2021, Bills maintain 9.9%. Currently in February, Bills down by minus 1.12%. So let's have a look at one or two trades Bills taken. You can see, look at the lot sizes. Bill's lot sizes are consistent. He's going for the full whack of 0.50. But as you can see, looking at Bill's trades, you can see a lot of reds and a lot of gains. Look at the pound US dollar. Those gains we're talking about. You see the buy trades we're talking about, it wasn't successful. You can see all the reds. But you see the sell side. Look at this, 173.50, 551, 414.50. You can see he's been successful on a few occasions on the buy side, but look at this, 328 on the buy side as well. So by looking at statistics, it's all the average of the buys and sells that's given him his success. And as you can see on my screen here on the side, looking at the chart, if we highlight this chart here, can you see he missed 7.9 pips, maximum 34 pips. He's got a nice little risk reward of 34 to 1. 34 to 1, that's a very good low risk, high reward trade. So entry accuracy 100%, exit accuracy 76.9%, which is a bit detailed in statistics. But look at that gain, 34.20%, and that's at 5 hours 37 minutes. So my guess is Bill took this trade on a lower time frame. So all depends on your time frame of choice. That will always determine when you get in the market, how much you risk and how much you exit. So Bill, this is a very good attempt at getting your 10%. And I'll recommend just one or two things. The first thing I recommend is always focus on money management. That is key. Manage risk first. The profit will come exponentially. Do not overtrade the markets and keep your lot sizes consistent. And I guarantee you'll be successful and you're going to accelerate your journey as a trader up to the $500,000 level. Bill, I wish you all the best and I know you're going to be successful in this. So just stay disciplined and focused and enjoy your journey in trading for AudaCity Capital.